Then we take a house plier, bend it, house plier, bend it. Anna Ursula, silence. Okay. Okay. This is a welder. So either you can use the preformed bends or you will have to do the welding. So you take a piece of the band material, bend the two edges, and then you take it to the welder. And you will get a ring like this, a big ring.
So what is the size of that?
You can take, I think, 2 inches, 2 inch long.
No, sir. What band you are telling now?
Yes, this band is 180 by 006.
Is there any other size also apart from this?
Yes, there is 170 by 005, 150 by 005, and 125 by 004. That is for the anteriors. But for the posteriors, 180 into 006.
And this preform one where will get, sir?
Preformed ones you will get from an ortho dealer. So you make a ring like this. Yes. Then you take your band pusher and give this an approximate shape like this. Then you place it onto the band, onto the tooth where you want to do the bending. You should have already done the separation. Yes, it will not fit correctly. So what you do, you push it towards the tooth. You push the band towards the tooth. Yes.
Only occlusal point.
No, this is the full band. Okay, you
Can
should
we do
push
it
the
on the
band.
cast and then take it up to the patient? Because I used to do like that.
कास्ट पे सेपरेशन करने के
तो
Micromotor. I have done it.
Then you take the E4 and press the two ends together. Now you remove it from the patient's mouth. Yes. And
Well done.
weld it.
So then why to join before? You can take the...
Yes, you can do that, but it may hurt the patient. If you take only this, like this, then also you can do, but it will be little uncomfortable. You will have to hold it like this and do it.
That's okay, sir.
कर सकते हैं. Then you push it from here, push it from here, and then you take this.
So this
And
plier
you
is also
join.
something different.
This is this is called as a house plier.
House plier.
Okay. So you can use that way also. Once you have given a few weld spots, then you cut off the excess. What I prefer to do is I will cut it in the shape of an arrow, but you can make any shape that you want. Then you place it back onto the tooth, check for the adaptation. Can we stick this band now? No, this will hurt. This will hurt. So this excess we bend it on one side of the tooth. Okay. Again we take it out. and this we will be welding again. This part we will press it like this. And we have welded it. There are few projections which are extra, so we take a burr or we take the cutter and cut off the excess.
You can bend it occlusally also.
If you bend it occlusally, it will come in biting. Look at this, the bend is ready.
How much this machine costs?
This will be, I think, 6,000-7,000. I would suggest that you buy the preform. But if you are having the machine, then you can have other uses of it. For example, if you are doing a class 2, then you can use the welder and make custom made matrix.
That is because excess good. सर अगर अपोजिंग प्लस पार है इसमें बैंड पे तो कैसे कट करेंगे? बर से करेंगे?
Burr. You can do it with the burr. Even if you leave it, after some time it will just get worn off, because the steel, it will not have the resistance to take on the opposing cusp. So banding is necessary when you have to do an appliance like the rapid palatal expander. We had to do 5 cases full mouth bending, central to molar. In post graduation. To learn.
सबको ये करना
पोटा होता है।
सर उसके ऊपर ब्रैकेट कैसे लगाते हैं?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Brand वगैरह.
सर लेकिन
चला
जो
बैठ।
स्पेसेस बन जाते थे फिर उसका बटन बैठता
इसको close कर दो.
पोजीशन पर अपन the
So these
support
brackets are different,
millimeter.
weldable.
Weldable, yeah.
They're different only.
के बीच में सेपरेटर रहते थे।
So we
Yes.
have to keep one side of this, sir.
What? If you want to keep this, that is called as a weldable tube.
Otherwise, it comes with the weld.
Yes, preform.
So preform comes with the welded.
With the tubes. Yes. Now, the mesiobuccal cusp we will mark, and here we have to place the mesial end of our tube. This is without the tube. Then we take the tube and we hold it, and again we will have to do the welding.
एडजस्ट लगाता है।
Yes. At the edge of the weldable tubes, there are flanks.
हाँ।
Okay, from here and here, mesial and distal, and you just weld it.
So sometimes this upper and lower tubes, जरा gets confused.
इंजॉयबली होना चाहिए।
No,
Also,
they,
Identifying it.
the upper tube, it will have a offset. So the distal part of the upper tube will be wider than the mesial part of the upper tube.
पीछे बड़ा रहेगा और आगे उसको छोटा होके जाएगा।
Tube. Upper का.
Narrow हो
ऐसे
जाए।
टेढ़ा हो जाएगा।
6 में ऑफसेट होता है।
Upper का या lower?
अपर 6 में ऑफसेट होता है।
इसमें कलर कोडिंग भी है मोलर ट्यूब।
कलर कोडिंग है फिर भी.
इसके जो जिन
अगर आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे नौबत आई तो।
सेमी सर्कुलर ये भी
जिस साइड के आपका सपोज राइट साइड अपर राइट साइड में ब्रैकेट्स आपके रेड कलर के हैं और ये साइड की लेफ्ट
You
साइड की
can
ग्रीन कलर ट्यूब्स ऑपोजिट
put the brass wire separator also. Okay, but again, this is yes. You have to make a U, put it in, pull it from the other side, and then do this, twist both the sides. Then you will be twisting it. Okay. Here, if I twist it, it will just come out. Dr. Vishwanath,
Yeah.
look behind you.
Oh, upper lower में.
Ziauddin, na?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Good afternoon.
बॉन्डिंग किया सर क्या वापस नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल में वो
Yes.
ये जब ना उससे निकाला उसने
Yes.
I'll go ahead, sir.
Yes.
से
You started
You want to?
that, right?
Yeah.
उसका
You want
पूरा
to
निकल
do
But as a